Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G system using your device's lock screen pattern. So in case you forgot your lock screen pattern and you have no idea what could it be, then the best decision, especially if you have sensitive data on your smartphone, would be to reach out to Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about this issue. And if you can provide them with some proof of the ownership of this device, for example, the receipt from the store where you bought it, they will most probably be able to help you out and let you regain access to your smartphone without removing any data from it, which is why it's so important to use it as the first option. But if you cannot do that, for example, if you bought this phone secondhand, and you cannot prove the ownership of your device, then you can perform a factory reset operation on your device. You can do this all by yourself. This will 100% let you regain access to your device, but it will also result in erasing all data from your smartphone. And if you still want to do this, if you still want to regain access to your smartphone by losing all the data from it, you have two options. You can either perform a factory reset operation using the Google's FindHub service. To use this service, you're gonna have to have the Google account connected to your device. And if you didn't disable FindHub services manually on your smartphone, then you'll be able to easily perform factory reset operation using FindHub service. All you have to do is open web browser on any other device you have access to, then enter FindHub website. It's the official Google website, so you're gonna have to open it. You're gonna have to log in with the Google account that is connected to your smartphone, that is linked with your smartphone basically. Then go to the devices section on this website and find your Redmi Note 15 Pro on the list. Then select your Redmi Note and then select factory reset this device, and this will perform the factory reset operation. Once the operation is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again as a new smartphone. Alternatively, you can also perform a factory reset operation using recovery mode on your device. And if you don't know how to access the recovery mode on your smartphone, we have a separate video on our channel on how to perform factory reset operation through the recovery mode on this device. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Now, if in case you do remember your device's password, but your smartphone just won't accept it, this may be because of some third-party application running in the background and affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. Maybe it's just a background process running on your smartphone, causing your device to lag. Either way, you can try to unlock your device in the safe mode where no background activities are allowed. And in order to enter the safe mode, what you're gonna have to do is press and hold the power button and volume up key at the same time. Once you see the power off menu on your screen, swipe the circle up to power off your smartphone, wait until it's turned off, and then what you're gonna have to do next is turn your smartphone on by short pressing the power button. Once you see the Xiaomi logo on your screen, wait for a couple of seconds. Of course, release your power button, then wait for a couple of seconds, and after a couple of seconds, start pressing down the volume down button until your phone vibrates. First, your screen has to change to a different logo, and then your phone will slightly vibrate. Then you're gonna have to release the volume down key. Okay. And after that, just wait for your device to start. in the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, which will let you know that you successfully entered the safe mode. And once you are in safe mode, try entering your lock screen password once again. And in case you succeed this time, let's first reset the lock screen password before we try to identify the application that could have caused this lag. So in settings, go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock, go to screen lock, enter your password once again, and then select turn off screen lock. Okay. And then to restart your device into normal mode, press power button and volume up key at the same time, and swipe the circle down to reboot option. And that's it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.